Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be super short, sweet, to the point. I'm going to be sharing with you guys something new that is coming out very soon, and I'm very excited about it. You guys know I'm all about the unboxings. Like, I love it. It's my thing. There's a new box coming out from Ipsy. This is called the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. This is quite a large, hefty box. $25 a month. You get 5 full-size products inside. I don't exactly know when the box will be available, but they said it's officially launching later this year. I mean, it's already September, so there's not much left to the year. This video isn't sponsored, by the way. They did send me the box, but I'm making this video just because I freaking love unboxings, and I wanted to give you guys a little sneak peek, get you guys ready, get you guys excited in case you are interested. I think we should just open up the box and see what's inside. I really like what it says inside of the box. It says, don't be pretty like them, be pretty like you. I definitely agree. All right, well, right off the bat, I see everything in here, and I'm a little bit... $25, Okay. So first thing we have in here is the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. I have had this and tried it before. It's a very thick, luxurious, rich body cream that smells so freaking good. Like, they actually sent me a candle a long time ago and I burned through that thing so quickly. Like, I love the way this smells. It makes your body really soft, and yes, you can put it on your bum bum and it just helps it look very soft and supple. I know that's like really weird sounding, but yeah, this is a full-size product, $45. Like, already we're just up 20 bucks. Next thing we have is in bubble wrap. It's a Tarte blush. Again, full size. These blushes are $29. Let's see what color we've got. This is in the shade, oh my god, Achiote? What even? So this is the color inside. It's a matte blush. It's a really pretty color. It's not like super pink, kind of like a rosy pink shade. Definitely a color I would use. Like, oh my god, this is like actually crazy. We have the Buxom Lash Mascara. This is $20 full size. I feel like I'm gonna keep saying full size. Everything is full size in here, but like I just feel like I have to say that. But this is what the mascara looks like. I do love me mascara. Have I tried this one before? I'm not sure. Oh, whoa. That's a very interesting brush. Okay. I know I already have mascara on, but I need to just feel the bristles on my lashes. But yeah, I'm really excited to test this out. It's one of those plastic brushes with a bunch of tiny little bristles on them. I don't know. That's pretty exciting. This next product is just, okay, Sunday Riley. We have the CEO CNE Antioxidant Moisturizer. This is $65. I have the serum version of this one and I actually really like it. I haven't tried this moisturizer. Oh my god, I just got makeup all over the cap. It smells like oranges. It smells so good. The last product we have in here is from Morphe Brushes. This is the 15H Happy Hour eyeshadow palette. I don't think I've actually heard about this palette. I don't know if this is something sold in stores or special to this box, but this is what it looks like. A bunch of beautiful like warm shades. Ooh, very pretty palette. Ooh la la. This is originally $15. I'm gonna go in here and just swatch a few shades because why not? This is a shadow on the back of my hand. This color is such a pretty rose gold metallic. The mattes were not patchy at all. They went on really nicely. Even my fingers are still coated and pigmented, but you guys, this is like, I'm a little overwhelmed. The actual last thing in this box is a makeup bag. This would not be an Ipsy Glam Bag without one, but this is like a whole different type of quality. Like, this is nice. Like, what? This is a very cute bag. It's also quite roomy. Like, I feel like I can fit almost everything I got in here. Obviously not the palette, but everything else fits in here. Like, this is pretty cool. Honestly, I really don't know how they do it. $25, and a majority of these products are things you would walk into Sephora and pay a lot of money to have, but every month you can get them in your box for $25. So many questions. I have a feeling this is gonna be a hit. Like, if this is an example of the types of products you're gonna get in these boxes, I'm very excited to see the future boxes. I hope you guys enjoyed this little sneak peek unboxing. Please let me know in the comments down below. I'm very interested to hear what you guys have to say about this and your thoughts. What are your feelings? Will you be signing up? Please let me know. As usual, don't forget to follow me on Twitter, mesijesibeauty, Instagram, Makeup by Jesi, and of course, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please do so before you go. Hit that little bell so you're notified every time I post a new video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys!